Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and wanted to talk about the update that Microsoft Edge has received. It was pushed on late on Thursday, but most of you probably had the update somewhere yesterday, Friday. So Microsoft Edge, of course, received the weekly Chromium security updates. And if you go to your your Edge browser, upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, then help and feedback. And about Microsoft Edge, you should be pushed to version 131.0.2903.63. So this fixes, of course, the weekly security flaws that were found in Chromium. And of course, if you have a Chromium-based browser like Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on, do check it out to make sure that you get the latest updates to stay safe. Now, there's one thing that it fixes also, and this, I got an email with somebody having problems with that, and I've seen a few comments where people have had some problems with that. So when you try to delete, the data from Microsoft Edge, like the cookies and so on, a lot of I've seen a few people, and like I said, I got an email that it didn't work, and it actually kind of seems to have frozen there. Well, they have fixed that. It's a bug that was in Edge, and it was fixed with this update. So if you have that problem, make sure that you update your Microsoft Edge browser to this latest version. It will fix that problem with this update. So no worries, there was a bug that Microsoft Edge had, and it's now okay. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.